Looking for a nail gun for projects or carpentry? I might have the one for you. My husband and I have been remodeling our home for the last year, and so far we've been borrowing everybody else's nail guns. And so KEENTECH sent us this nail gun to test out, and we are so excited to have a nail gun, test it out, and tell you how we like it. So let's look to see what this nail gun offers and what is included in its case. This 18 gauge brad nailer accepts 3/8 inch to 2-inch brad nails. So let's open up this case and see what is included. For my husband, if a tool comes with a case, it is a big plus for him to be able to have everything you need contained in a case. So first off the bat, I love that this tool comes with its own case to contain everything. We have the user manual. Comes with a great amount of different size nails. So I will lay those out so you can get a look at those in a minute. And then it comes with your brad nailer. And then we have a oil bottle and Allen wrenches. So altogether, you should have your straight nailing machine, your instruction manual, oil bottle, Allen wrenches, and then it will come with the nails as well. Included with the nail gun is 3,000 nails. So there are 600 of each of the sizes that are included. I'm going to hand it off to my husband now as he sets it up and tests this nail gun out.
I'm gonna go ahead and set up this nail gun. It is pre-oiled, but it does come with some oil, so that is nice. What we're gonna do is we're gonna hit the release right here, and then this is where your nails will go. So it has grooves so that you can put in the big ones, or you can do smaller ones, just like that, and they just slide in there. So once you have your nails in, go ahead and push them all the way to the top and to the back, and then push up on the keeper until it clicks, and then you are loaded up and ready to go. So unless this front is depressed, the trigger will not go off, kind of like a safety. Once you press, then it's live.
Well, that's it. We showed you some examples with this brad nailer, and we love it. We have no problems with it whatsoever. We love how it fits in our hands, the grip, the size of it. It fits perfectly. It's really simple to use. The setup was nothing. And we are just happy to finally have a brad nailer of our own rather than having to borrow it from everybody else. So thank you, KEENTECH, for sending us this brad nailer. We give it 2 thumbs up. And thank you so very much for watching DIY on the House. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you have any questions, put those in the comments down below. But thank you for watching.